Hello students, look at here, convert 60 degree 30 minute in radian. Quickly we will solve this because as we know that conversion of radian to degree or degree to radian is a simple task. You should know just conversion factor. First of all, write this angle 60 degree 30 minute. Convert this in decimal totally in degree. So it is 60 degree complete and a fraction is 30 minutes. We have splitted it. Then 60 degree, write this 30 minute, we want it in degrees, so divided by 60. So this is in minute, so convert it to degree. So 60 degree plus, it is a 1 by 2 degree. So 60 and half degree. So half means 0.5. So 60.5 it is in degree. Once you get answer in decimal, now your task is to convert it in radian. So what is a multiplicative factor to convert it in radian is pi by 180. Whatever answer, reduce it and write. So reduction, perform reduction, both are divisible by 5, so I can take 5 ones are, then 1 left, 5 twos are, and 5 ones are, and even this one, 5 threes are 15, 5 six are 30. So it is, remove the decimal point, that is 121 upon 360 pi. This is in radian. What happens if your angle is negative? For example, if you have negative 47 degree 30 minute, so angle is negative, so what should we do? It is same, so 47 minus as it is 47 degree plus 30 minute. Quickly you should know 47 complete degree, 30 minute means actually half, or you can convert it 30 by 60, it is now in degree. So negative 47 plus, it is a half means 0.5 degree. So what is the total? It is negative of 47.5 degree. So no issue, negative sign remains negative, so 47.5. What is the conversion factor? Pi upon 180. And finally you got, after reduction, whatever reduction, you convert it with, reduce with 5, you will get 5 8s are, 5 9s are 45, 2 left, then 5 5s are, so 9.5 upon, so 5 3s are 5 6 are pi. Remove the decimal, that is 95 upon 36 360 pi. This much radian. Look at one more example where we are supposed to convert the radian measure to degree measure. Again we have 3 pi by 2. It is in radian. What is the multiplicative factor for conversion? So conversion factor is pi 180 upon pi. So simplify it, pi gets cancel. So 2, this is 90, so 93 is on 270 degree. So this was a simple question, but sometime we have to think when there is no pi in radian measure, so that time the task is quite difficult to convert it. Let's check when we have a radian measure without pi. Now this 11 by 16 is in radian, but pi is not included in that. So in that case we are supposed to convert this radian to the degree. So check 11 by 16. So conversion factor is radian to degree. that is 180 upon pi. You know the value of pi, so we will reduce it. So what is the reduction factor? Here you can check, reduction is 2 8s are 2 9s are again by 2, 2 4s are here 45. So further reduction is not possible, so we'll continue with the simple calculation. So 11 5s are 55, 44 plus 5 49 upon 4 pi. So pi is 22 by 7. So look at here, 495 by 4 into 7 by 22. If it is reducible, reduce it, otherwise carry on. As we have discussed, when pi is not included, it is expressed in radian, but pi is not part of that. So that's why our calculation would be little tedious. The reason is, ये जो pi है ये कैंसिल नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे pi मेंशन नहीं है. So no problem, answer would be in decimal. That's why it is quite tedious. So after doing all these things, again multiply these two. The final multiplication is 6, 4 and just multiply 3. So the product is 3 4 6 5 and the denominator is 4 2 8 and 8. Now this is in degree, but we cannot keep answer in fractions, isn't it? Integral answer. So if it is in decimal, then we'll convert that decimal part in minutes. If minutes are in again decimal, we'll convert those minutes in second. So perform normal division over here. What is that? 3 4 6 5 divided by 88. So 88 how many times? 88 3 times. So 3 8s are 24, 26. So this subtraction is 2. This is 8 and 0. So 825. 825. So again divide 825 by 88. I hope 88. So it would be probably 9. We'll check. If not, we'll reduce it. So 9 8s are 72. 7. 9 8s are 72 plus 7 79. Yes, it is coming. So 3. So 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 3. This is 0. 33. Isn't it? So 33 is smaller than 88. So what you got? So this is 39 degree. And fraction is कितना remainder कितना है? 33 is a remainder out of 88. So 39 plus 33 upon 88. So this part is again in fraction. So I will write here 39 degree complete, and fraction is remainder is 33 and divisor is 88. But I cannot keep this is in fraction. I will convert that is in minute. So perform this operation to convert this fraction degree into minutes. What we will do? Multiplying factor 33 upon 88. So we want to convert it in minutes. So into 60. This has been converted to minute. So look at carefully. 39 degree. So reduction by 4 directly. So here 33 by 4. 4 2s are 4 2s are. Here 4 1s are. 2 left. 4 5s are. So this much is in minute. So 39 degree plus how much minute? Further reduction is not possible, so we will multiply. 15 3s are 45. 15 3s are 45 plus 4 49 upon 22. So but this is again in fraction. I don't want fraction. So normal division, we will take integral part away. याच्यातला integral part So what is the integral part? 22 what? 22 4s are 44. 5 again 22 4s are 44. So what is the integral part and decimal part? Here 11 left, so I can write 44. What is this? 22 22 2s are sorry 22 2s are 44, 22 2s are 40. So 22 what? 22 minute, but still decimal left. 22 complete minutes and 11 by 22. 11 by 22. This is a fractional, that is also in minute. So finally we got 39 degree. So how many minutes? 22 minute plus 11 by 22 minute. But this minute I cannot keep in fraction, I have to convert this is in second. So actually this is a reduced, so half minute. So convert that half minute again in second, so half into 60. So that conversion is 39 degree 22 minute. So this is 30, this is in second because multiplied. So final answer 39 degree 22 minute 30 second. So that's all. So like this, whenever there is example like this in which pi is not included, certain numerical calculations you have to perform. Convert it in degree. If fraction part, take out the fraction part and convert it in minute. Again if it is in fraction, again take out the fraction part and convert it in second. So like that we can complete our answer.